He understood chemistry fast, but forgot everything just as quickly. Today he tried the Deepak 10x memory technique. And what happens next is unbelievable.
Hey Sudai, how easy it was memorizing like this?
Sir, it's actually great.
Yes, now compared to before, what is the difference you found today?
Sir, difference, not just today, I was actually thinking from 3 weeks to join your session actually. I was balancing out, okay, I have my exams coming up and I should join Deepak sir's course. It will surely help me.
Superb. Now if at all you had to memorize that concept earlier without my class, how much time would you take?
So I would take less time but would forget it forget it easily.
Beautiful. See, that's what we want. That's what we want. That's what I promised. I told you I can make you memorize anything and everything. And this is what it is. If you follow the right structure, if you follow the right course, if you have the right mentor, this is what will happen.
Carbon compounds containing carboxyl groups are called carboxylic acids. Carboxyl groups are basically carbonyl group plus hydroxyl group, C double bond O plus OH. Then carboxylic compounds can be classified into two parts: aliphatic carboxylic compounds and aromatic carboxylic compounds. Aliphatic when the carboxylic group is attached to an aliphatic carbon, and aromatic when it is attached to an aromatic carbon. Coming on to its existence.
Imagine saving 2 hours every single day. Imagine walking into exams with this kind of confidence. Imagine learning any chapter in minutes, not hours. That's what Deepak wants for every student and every parent watching this. Want to experience the same transformation? Join Deepak 10 times Memory Boost Masterclass today.